Hello everyone. In this video I will explain the famous poem The Old Woman. This famous poem is written by the American poet Joseph John Campbell. This is the first stanza of the poem. As a white candle in a holy place, so is the beauty of an aged face. The Old Woman is a simple and short poem in which the poet compares the old woman with different things and describes her. The poet compares the old lady to the white candle. White color is a symbol of peace and a candle is a symbol of light. The old woman is like a white candle. She is at peace and she gives other people light through his experiences. She can show the right path to those who need it. Now this is the second stanza of the poem. As the spent radiance of the winter's sun, so is a woman with her travail done. The poet compares the old lady to the spent radiance of the winter's sun. It refers old woman's long life. But now she is old like winter's sun. But she has gathered a wide experience of life. Now this is the third and last stanza of the poem. Her brood gone from her, and her thoughts as still as the waters under a ruined mill. The poet compares the old woman to the water under the ruined mill. All her sons have gone, they do not live with her. But she has all the memories like water under the ruined mill, though they are gone and she can't forget them. I hope this video is helpful for you.